Come on! Come on! Oh, I never happened to be. People happy. Oh, I just happened. I never. Wait a second.
Here's what happens if you lose.
This is boring.
That was boring.
Bro, did you just turn off?
This ain't never, huh?
Can you do that? No, as a matter of fact, you can't. There. Now you can't turn my monologue off again.
Jigsaw? What happened to your voice, dude?
Well, I prefer to use a voice modulator in my video. It's a lot scarier sounding when I do.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
What do you say? Awfully smart for someone dangling above a garbage disposal.
Yeah. I meant to talk to you about that.
Silence! I'm gonna return to my secret lair, hook my voice modulator back up, and then I'll explain the deal. Spoiler alert, you all die!
Yeah, just so not scary when you do it in that voice, bro.
He's right. Agreed. Also, you're way smaller than I expected. That's it. All of you, prepare to die. Prepare to die.
I never.
I heard that.
Well, I meant for you to hear that, so...
Okay, here we go. Check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you hear me okay?
Your voice modulator's, it's not turned on. I want to play a game. Your lives are now connected. Quite literally. By a rude Shocktober machine. On one end, we have little apple. I'm sorry, I have to interrupt. Did you just say rude Goldberg machine? I did.
I did. I never. I just saw
I know what
myself.
a Rube Goldberg machine is. An overly complicated machine.
In your chance. Whoa. Whoa, that was never ever. Stop it, playing guitar. Stop it.
Don't be friends with him. I chose you
Alright.
specifically because you're triggered to attack by a color orange.
Nah, he's more of a yellow-orange. I get triggered to attack by deeper red shades. Besides, if you think I'm gonna attack my buddy Orange, Jigsaw be flipping y'all.
Whoa, that was never me. Wow. I was never.
The entire room
This did.
trying to escape by color. The escape mask was
I would escape, and the Jigsaw is talking.
no orange. Don't do it.
Are you okay?
Also, it sounds like Orange's kazoo jammed the garbage disposal. Man.
Oh,
You kind of lucky.
guys,
That's it.
I tell you.
Okay, gonna turn off the
Okay,
I
I did it. I never. Oh, that was never ever. And you never knew. Ha ha ha. Oh, the mom. That was never.
Yeah.